Good morning, everyone. I hope you all are staying safe and healthy. As you can see in this picture, we are going to start the three-sided question, and we had already learned new words and word meanings of this chapter. Now, quickly tell me which animal remains active during night. Just respond me in the comment box below. Now, do you know what do we call these animals? There is a word that tells us that these types of animals remain active during night and they hunt or feed during night. Nocturnal animal. My dear children, I believe that you remember this word. Nocturnal animal that remains active during the night. These animals hunt or feed during the night and sleep during the day. Now, in this chapter, you will listen to the interesting conversation held between three characters. Now, who are three characters? Let's see. Three characters are Mr. Owl, Mr. Sparrow, and Mr. Bear. And you will see that the questions arise from three sides. That's why this chapter is being named as the three-sided question. It was the time of winter and it was too cold as it was December evening. There was a hollow tree in the jungle. Mr. Owl, stretching his wings, said, "Hey ho." Hey ho is an old English term used to express boredom or sadness. Mr. Owl said, "It's dark. How fast the daylight goes. It's my time to get up and go in the search of food. But I am feeling so sleepy. Hey ho, hey ho. Now what can be done as I have to go in the search of food? But I really wanted to sleep." On listening to this, Mr. Sparrow comes and says to Mr. Owl, "Why don't you go to bed if you are so very sleepy? It's high time, Mr. Owl. I am also going home as fast as I can trot, as night is the time to sleep." Now, here their quarrel starts. Mr. Owl says, Time? Time for what? Time for sleep? Mr. Sparrow says, "Yes." But Mr. Owl says, "Well, my dear bird, your reason must have fled." Mr. Sparrow says, in a very unfriendly way, that "I don't understand. What are you talking about?" Then Mr. Owl says, "I mean, you are talking nonsense. Is that clear?" Mr. Sparrow is in anger now and says, "If you dare, say that again." Mr. Owl keeps on saying, "You are talking nonsense. You are talking nonsense." Mr. Sparrow hops one twig higher up and says, "You are impolite, sir." Again he hops on a still higher twig and says, "If you weren't beneath me, I would fight." Now, Mr. Owl says, "I am beneath you, my friend, by just 2 branches. Will you descend or shall I?" Now, students, quickly tell me what's the meaning of descend. Please tell me in the comment box below. Now, Mr. Sparrow quickly says, "No. No, don't rise. Tell me instead, what was the nonsense that you thought I said?" Mr. Owl says, "It may be wrong, but if I heard aright, you said the proper time for sleep was night." Mr. Sparrow says, "That's what I said, and I repeat it too. Night is the time to sleep. Night is the time to sleep." Mr. Owl says, Then you repeat a thing that is not true. Day is the time for sleep, not night. Now Mr. Sparrow says, absurd! Who's talking nonsense now? Mr. Owl says, you impudent bird! How dare you answer me back, you upstart fowl? Mr. Sparrow becomes very angry and says, how dare you call me upstart? You owl! Now Mr. Owl says, this is too much. I'll stand no more. I vow, defend yourself. I am promising you that I will take revenge. Now, Mr. Bear, looking out of a hollow in the tree, calls everybody to stop that fight. What you are about, I am sure I cannot think. I only know one thing. I haven't had a wink of sleep. I was not able to sleep at all. Indeed, I have borne it long enough. Now I can't tolerate it. Why don't you go to bed like others? Winter is the time to sleep only, and it's the time to take 3 months sleep. You both please go and sleep and let me sleep too. Now, Mr. Sparrow wished goodbye to Mr. Owl and Mr. Bear. Mr. Owl says, I must go to find another jungle. I can't stay here. Everyone is mad here. Good evening, Mr. Bear. Mr. Bear says, now I can sleep peacefully. So, in the story, you have learnt about the differences between the owl, the sparrow and the bear. The owl is a nocturnal animal and he doesn't find safe company in the jungle. The sparrow is different from the owl as he sleeps during the night. The bear is the laziest of all. He sleeps for long hours. So, my dear children, we are all different. Every living being is unique in its own way. When we accept our differences, we can live peacefully with each other in our own way. We are all different. We are all friends. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video and it's clear to you now. Now quickly mark your attendance, mention your name and section in the comment section below. Please do like this video as well, and to stay connected, don't forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos. Bye bye. Take care.